Hello friends, welcome to Vandana's art classes. Today we are going to learn a flower in Kalamkari art style. So let's start. So first we will make a cup. This is the cup for flower. Then we'll make another cup here. Then this is the upper part, and then we have the curved line which is always there in Kalamkari art style. Here we are going to fill black color. In Kalamkari, when we want to paint white, we just leave the cloth white color. We don't use white paint actually. This is the central part of flower. Now I'm going to paint one petal. Then similar thing here. After this, we are going to paint one more petal. Similarly, this side, I'm using 000 number brush. Now this down petal. In this, we'll fill color in some parts and we will leave rest of the part white. Then these are some more petals in which we are filling the black color. You can give any one color base color. And then draw this flower. So these are not exactly dots. These are small circles which are filled with color. Now, one more round. Now, in this, we are going to paint the semicircle. Sri Kalahasti and Machilipatnam are the main centers for this art in India. In Kalamkari, they don't use acrylic paints like we are using. They make their own paints with the herbs and natural things which are available, and they have the knowledge of that. Everything is natural there. No chemical is used in Kalamkari art. I hope you liked the tutorial. Thank you for liking, subscribing and sharing Vandana's art. Dhanyavad. Namaste.